It's a townhome project. We've built a couple of them out here in the past, and just wanted to show a little bit of it to you guys. We've got 2 townhomes out here presently. Start by just showing you a little bit of the townhomes themselves. Here's the 2. As you can see, they are considered townhomes, but the only connection they have is those steps right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps. It connects to a landing, and then the buildings are separated by 10 feet. So these really live like single family homes. Just to give you a little bit of info about them, we're located on 133 South, just south of Belleville Elementary School and the new Riverwalk. It takes about 10 minutes from here or less, depending on what time of day, to get right to Front Street at downtown Wilmington. So it's a great location as far as that goes. It's outside the city of Wilmington, so the taxes aren't as high. You can see behind these units, so there's the units again. These are 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths, roughly 1,650 square feet, heated. They have an elevator shaft in them, so an elevator option is available. The master bedroom is on the first floor with the living, dining, and kitchen. And then upstairs is 2 more bedrooms and a full bath. As you can see, if you look over the back, it's a protected area that they back up to. Jackie's Creek runs back there. I'm going to get a little higher and fly out there a little bit. Check them out. So this is Jackie's Creek out here. You can see it winding through there. I don't want to get much further away or I won't get good signal anymore. If you look back, you can see our townhomes, Charleston Common. Fly back towards it. If you look right there at that empty lot, that's going to be our pool site. In the process of permitting that, going through Brunswick County Environmental. I believe we're just about done with that process there. Then I can permit through the town of Leland for the actual pool building. It'll be a nice sized pool with accessible and handicap bathrooms and everything. So it'll service the rest of the townhomes here as well. There's 133 you see right there. Let's go up a little bit higher just to give you some proximity. You can see downtown Wilmington off in the distance right there. That's the Brunswick River and the Cape Fear Rivers. There's the port. Riverwalk and Belleville Elementary are right up there. As you can see though, this area right behind us is completely protected. Townhomes all back up to it, so you have nice quiet space. Another video that I can use for other stuff. Thanks for watching.